Life is only what you have, and everything what you have in it. Each one of us got two ways to reach to our destination. It could be your goal, in your career, in your life, anywhere. You take it the way you want. There is one way which is fast, non-stop, uninterrupted. And second way is bit longer, which has hills and valleys, turns and curves, and some stopovers as well. Which way would you go to achieve your goal? I'm not here to tell you or guide you or teach you which way you should take in order to achieve your goal or reach there. But I'm here to ask you which way you have chosen in your life. Let me take you back in 2016 when I went to Europe very first time with my friend. As soon as we landed in Milan, we took a rent-a-car. We were excited. We are going on a Europe tour. We took a car and we had to go to Poland, where I was starting one more company. I was excited. The meeting was after 2 days in Poland. Because of excitement, we took the highway, the fastest one, uninterrupted, but we had to pay massive toll taxes. No problem, it's okay. We reached there 8 p.m. same day and took a hotel and slept. Did nothing for next 2 days but to go for a couple of hours for a walk. 2 days wasted, all gone. Third day, we opened a company, we came back. I was excited only for one reason, no problem. Though it's very high price that we have paid on toll, but it's okay, I'm going to share with my friend, it's 50%. December 2019, again I happened to go to Europe. This time I was with my family, 6 members including me. This was a different journey altogether. This time we landed in Frankfurt. Again took a big van so we can accommodate all of us. Excited. This time we were heading to Rome. Long distance. I've approached my family. Hey, come on, which way would you like to go? Highway, which is the fast, uninterrupted, and we had to pay massive toll plazas. Our exciting one where are mountains, rivers, seaside. I wanted to convince them because I wanted to save some money this time. They said that it's totally up to you. We have no idea about highways or national ways. You take us the way you want. We are here with you to accompany you just to enjoy a journey of 2 weeks. We took highway, which were highway mean mountain areas, which was longer than the highways. I tried to save some money, but we had different experience altogether. This was unforgettable journey of my life ever. I've traveled to so many countries, but these 15 days with my family, spending on mountains, with so many stopovers, we had so many coffees. I had paid more than the tolls for coffees this time. But the memories we got from that journey, up hills, valleys, stopovers, small roads, rivers, oceans, countryside, the edge where ocean meets land. Amazing. It's like every 5 kilometers you have another view of heaven. I cannot forget. Why I'm sharing these stories with you all? This is how our life is all about. We can afford, and we take highway uninterrupted. I just want to go there, and when we reach there, we feel like, ah, why did I reach here? What I'm doing here? But we forget the journey, which is more important. Where sometimes we stuck, we connect with people. We have such coffees, are different flavors, different food from different tea stalls, or from different coffee shops, different restaurants. We sleep somewhere, nowhere. We discuss something unpredictable. What are we going to expect? What are we going to expect after 5 kilometers? Because we have no idea. We are depending on what luck. But this is the journey I would like to share with you. If you are just rushing towards your goal, it's not going to help you. You will reach. Everyone is going to reach. But the entertainment in your life, you are missing. We have to enjoy long ways. Yes, sometimes you can take highways because you are in rush. You are answerable to somebody. But not every time. Spend time with your family. Be thankful for what you have. Because these roads are built in our life for a reason. Go connect with people. Go small towns, villages, small cities. Then you see real life. You feel more thankful that where you stand. After traveling, I got to know how rich I am. I'm above 5% of this population, which is 7.7 plus billion. A lot of people are deprived. Doesn't matter which state, which country we are talking about. And I mean it. If you are traveling, you can relate with me. I'm not here to tell you which way you should take in your life, ladies and gentlemen, but to ask you which way you have taken. Goal is yours. Are you still enjoying the journey of your life while achieving your goals? Life is only what you have, and everything what you have in it.